nandito kami ngayon sa Century Mall, Makati. It's a very exciting day kasi gagawin namin yung napapanood ko sa social media na mag-create ka ng own bear. So dito sila located sa Century Mall. Let's go and build our own bears. Where's my phone? Oh my God. Ay, ang cute nito. Koala. Let's go. Okay. A penguin is still a bird. Let's go inside. Ito yung mga steps. Please, love me, dress me, personalize me, make me yours. Hindi ganyan talaga. Phone ko? Marian, can you do for ate? Sa akin, ganda. Kung gusto mo talaga, go for it. Hindi. But that one's nice. Ito? I think that one. Ay, the color. The blue one na lang. Ito, this one. Yeah. Ha? Penguin. How about the white one? Sis, the white one. Ate, how about the ruffles? Itong ruffles. Titignan mo. How about ito? Yung red. Diba? Parang cute. Ay, ang cute din yan. Ay, ang cute yan. Ako yan. Okay, binibisan yung aming mga bear. And they're putting heartbeats. They're putting heartbeats. Ayan o, paano mo kay... ayan, pakita mo nga sa kanya yung heartbeat.
Every 15 seconds, no?
Ay, talaga? Walang galing.
Atara will like that.
Nabibigan. May heartbeat. Heartbeat.
What's that? Tara, what's that? Hedgehog. Good job.
Ang cute! Nabidyan.
Tara, look! What's this? Wow! Okay na ako dito.
What's this?
What's this, Tara? Ay, ate, bumagay kasi dun sa head. What's that? What's that? Hedgehog? What's yours? What's yours? Yours is? What's yours? Koala. Penguin, yeah. Okay, wait, love.
Ala, ang cute pala!
Can I see?
Ay, bagay sa'yo, diba? Saan na? Ay, lagyan mo ng puting headband! Parang mo lang.
sa inyo, mami. Ito po, kay-click nyo lang po yung talitid nyo.
Ah, dito pinipress. Ano name yan? What's your name?
I have a name. Why? Okay. What's the name of your bear? Yeah, that's Kala, the koala. The birthday is 31st. Why?
Birthday. Pila ay triplet sila. Thank you, ate. Yay! That's it for today's video. Success! Asan yung sayo, Ning? That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.